go. Okay, we've got the water filled up to about a ½ inch from this rim area here. Make sure to shut that off. We don't want that running everywhere. We will take our first ½ pint or pint of juice and we'll throw this back in here on top of the strawberries. And to get the strawberries to run juice, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the sugar into here. So I think I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of sugar to this. There we go. That'll help the juices run in those strawberries. I don't like things over sweetened, but that's why you got to be really careful when I'm making my strawberry jam. I don't want to make it too sweet. And you can replace some of the sugar with honey if you like, by the way. I've done that. It worked fine for me. It had a great taste to it. Okay, we will be back. We'll see you back here. We'll see you back here in about, maybe for this, probably about 35 minutes. I don't want to get those strawberries too done because I got to process them through as strawberry jam as well. This is very, very, very hot. You don't want to burn your countertop. Make sure you can drain them really well. Some fresh hot vinegar water from the canner. Okay, this is already setting up. So we're going to give it a stir here. See if we can't get it in here into these jars before it sets up. I'm going to have to move a little bit quicker here. There we go. A little less than a 1/4 inch headspace. 1/4 inch is fine. This is starting to lump up in here. I might have to stir it with the whisk. Look how awesome this looks though. Here we go. Oh yeah, got a good dew on it this time. There we go with this one. Ooh, I had just enough for this one. Perfect. All we have to do now is clean off the tops. Quickly. A little bit of hot vinegar water right here. Has a chance to cool off, we're going to put it back down inside that boiling water. And these get water bath candle. Look at the coloring on that. No tilting. Back in just a minute. Finger tight and only finger tight. Be sure and lift it up on the glass elbow right here. Don't pick it up by the ring. The ring can definitely pop right back off of there. And again, we're going to water bath this for 20 minutes. 20 minutes for the strawberry jelly. It's about 1.5 inches. There we go. Time starts when we get a good hard rolling boil going. We'll see you back here then. Okay, I've boiled this syrup bottle and sterilized my funnel here. And this is my strawberry syrup. Now the difference between the strawberry syrup and the strawberry jelly is that I cut the sugar in half and I cut the sugar gel. Right up there, 1/4 inch from the top. Left myself here with about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch headspace. Snap it down like this. The plastic top. I don't have a pop top. These are the pop tops as well. I'm just going to set this aside. I'm going to let this cool and we will eat this right up. Trust me, we're going to use this up. So I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to label it strawberry syrup. with reduced sugar. All right, so our strawberry jelly is done boiling in the water bath for the 20 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to let this kind of calm down. Let it kind of sit in here for 5 minutes. See, I've had my busy day between grape juice, cherry juice, and strawberry juice, strawberry syrup here, and strawberry jelly. So next up are pears. Pears and peaches. So stay tuned. We got some fun things coming up. Starting to thicken up a little bit too. Perfect. Look how clear that jelly is. That steamer is just a godsend. It is so cool to use. And I just have the best product coming out. And again, this is strawberry jelly. Usually I make strawberry jam. Strawberry jam's my favorite. And strawberry jam with pineapple. But I have to tell you, my daughter just had some and she said it's some of the best strawberry jelly she's ever had. She said it reminds her of the strawberry jelly she used to get at the Waffle House in those little 1-inch cups. She loved that stuff. So I was happy to oblige her by making some strawberry jelly. Anything strawberry is a family favorite with us. Anything strawberry. Trust me, I'm not doing that. That's it's doing its thing. Comment below. Let us know what you like the most. Strawberry jam, strawberry jelly, or strawberry syrup. And do you like freezer jam or just regular cooked jam? Let us know below your favorite strawberry jam story. If you don't have a favorite jam, then leave us a jam story. All right? We love you. Go with God. Blessings.